How to remove people from Slack. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove people from Slack. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and further open your Slack workspace. Here, tap on your name drop-down on the top left of your screen and place your cursor on Tools and Settings. You will then see the option for Manage Members. Tap on that. Here you will be able to see the members in your Slack. Simply tap on the three dots beside the username you want to remove. You will further see the option for Deactivate Account. Tap on that. If you deactivate the member will no longer be able to sign in to the workspace and the member's messages and files will still be accessible in Slack. So, if you are sure of deactivating, then tap on the deactivate button and this is how you can remove people from Slack. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.